Are you trying to decide between Google Calendar and Samsung Calendar? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these two popular calendar apps. Both help you keep track of your schedule, but they have some different features. Google Calendar is a well known tool. It syncs across all your devices. You can easily share events with friends or colleagues. Plus, it integrates with other Google services like Gmail. This makes it great for organizing meetings and deadlines. On the other hand, Samsung Calendar is designed specifically for Samsung users. It offers a clean interface and works well with Samsung devices. You can also sync it with your Samsung account. This is perfect if you want everything in one place. Now, let's look at the key differences. Google Calendar is more versatile. It works on any device, not just Android. Samsung Calendar, however, is tailored for Samsung users. It provides a smoother experience for those with Samsung phones. When it comes to features, Google Calendar shines with its event reminders and color coding options. Samsung Calendar has some unique features too, like syncing with your Samsung tasks. Both offer basic functions like creating events and reminders. In terms of pricing, both apps are free. You don't have to worry about hidden costs with either one. So, which one should you choose? If you use various devices or rely on Google services, Google Calendar is the way to go. But if you are a Samsung user who wants a simple integrated option, Samsung Calendar might be better for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.